Hi guys, just coming out for a play with my drone. One thing I'm going to try today is WayPoints 2.0. Something I've looked at and obviously I've read and watched with other droners, but something I haven't really tried myself. So today is a bit of an experiment. Let's see how I go. I can see the waypoints can be a superb tool to use. I just sat on the grass and I looked at the map view, tapped all the waypoints, adjusted the height, I tapped the point of view, and then when I was happy I hit go and the drone took off, flew the entire route, going to all the waypoints at the desired height, and then returned home safely. How better can it get? Perfect.